Hey family, today we're taking a look at AstroAI's heavy duty portable air compressor. So we're actually going to test this out and see if it is heavy duty. Well, it's definitely heavy. I would say maybe 15 pounds or so. I love that it comes in this carrying case. That's pretty awesome. Nice carrying case slash bag. Ooh. Shiny. Alright, so wow. Nice gauge. Okay, that's pretty cool. Quality seems to be nice. Nice brass. Steel. Okay. So far, so good. Take a look at the line. Oh, I love this. I love the length of this, so you could go really far away. Ooh, this is nice. Nice alligator clamps. Looks like they are copper. That's a plus. Plenty of cable length on that. Nice. Okay. So far, so good. Manual and different extensions for inflating different things. Nice. So for those who are wondering, you will need a battery to jump this on. So either your 12-volt car battery, or if you have a sealed battery, you can, or just any battery to allow you to hook it up. So black's going to be negative, red's going to be positive. So hook up to your negative end, which is the minus, your positive end, which is the plus. I love that they're protected so you can't touch the actual metal. That's nice. So for this, for the line and the hose, one end is going to connect onto here. Let's see here. Okay, I gotcha. So you pull down on this one and you push it in, let go. So a little tough for at first to get used to. So you pull it in and you kind of push it in. The other end connects on the same way here. And you just kind of push it up in. And there you go. You can add your nozzles on there. But overall, a nice little unit.